If you're thinking about buying a home, stop. Don't celebrate too early. Don't assume your mortgage is your only payment. And definitely don't overlook the extra costs that come with being a homeowner. The truth is, owning a home comes with hidden costs that most buyers don't see coming. And if you're not prepared, these costs can blow up your budget and take the joy out of owning your dream home. In this video, I'm going to break down the 3 biggest hidden costs of homeownership, the one most agents avoid talking about. Stick with me until the very end because I will also share how to plan ahead so these costs never catch you by surprise. Hey, I'm Daryl Hunt, your East Bay real estate advisor, serving Berkeley, El Cerrito, Albany, Richmond, Oakland, and beyond. I help buyers and sellers make smarter, calmer decisions in one of the most competitive housing markets in the country. And part of that is being transparent, not just about the fun side of owning a home, but also the reality that comes with it. If you want clear, no fluff insight into the Bay Area real estate market, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss the future video. Most buyers focus only on the down payment and the monthly mortgage. But here's the truth. Buying a home is just the beginning. After the excitement of closing day, homeowners face ongoing costs that don't show up on those glossy mortgage calculators online. And if you don't factor them in early, they can quickly add stress to your finances. So let's break down the 3 hidden costs you need to prepare for before you buy. First, property taxes. In California, property taxes usually start around 1% of your home's purchase price. So if you buy a $1 million home, you're looking at about $10,000 per year, or roughly $833 per month. But that's just the baseline. Taxes can increase every single year, even if your income doesn't. Under Proposition 13, your tax assessment can rise up to 2% annually. It doesn't sound like much, but over a decade, that's a huge jump. And here's another surprise. Many cities tack on additional charges. Things like partial taxes, school bonds, or special district fees. In Berkeley, for example, homeowners often pay several $100s more each year on top of their base tax rate. Why does this matter? Because property taxes aren't optional. They fund schools, fire departments, police, and local infrastructure. If you don't pay, the county can put a lien on your home. So this is a must budget cost that sticks with you year after year. Second, HOA fees. More than 70% of new construction homes are part of an HOA, a homeowners association. If you're buying a condo, townhome, or even certain single-family homes in planned communities, chances are you'll be paying HOA dues. These fees cover maintenance of shared spaces, things like landscaping, exterior paint, roofing, gyms, swimming pools, or security gates. And at first, they might seem reasonable. Some are as low as $50 per month. But in reality, most HOAs in the Bay Area range from $300 to $600 a month, and luxury buildings can easily hit $1,000 or more. That's basically a second car payment. And it doesn't stop there. HOA fees aren't fixed. They can increase as costs rise, and you can also be hit with what's called a special assessment. That's when the HOA suddenly needs money for a big project, like repaying for all the roads and replacing roofs. Homeowners can be asked to pay thousands of dollars per unit on top of their regular fees. I've seen buyers fall in love with a home only to realize the HOA dues make their total monthly payment unaffordable. That's why it's critical to factor these into your long-term budget. Third, maintenance and repairs. When you rent, your landlord is the one on the hook if the water heater breaks or the roof starts leaking. But as a homeowner, those costs fall on you, and they can add up quickly. Experts recommend setting aside 1% of your home's value each year for maintenance. So for a $1 million home, that's $10,000 a year. Some years you won't need it, but eventually you will. Here are some real numbers. A new roof can cost anywhere between $15,000 to $25,000. Replacing an HVAC system, $8,000 to $12,000. Water heater, $2,000 to $3,500. Even small things like leaky plumbing or replacing appliances can run up to $500 to $2,000 each. And here's the kicker. Many systems in the house age at the same time. So it's not unusual for homeowners to face multiple big-ticket repairs within a few years. If you don't plan for that, it can become overwhelming. This is why creating a home repair savings fund is one of the smartest things you can do as a homeowner. It turns those unexpected emergencies into manageable expenses. Thinking about relocating to the Bay Area? Well, I got just the thing for you. I'm actually taking the time to create the ultimate relocation guide, which is meant to save you hours of research, and I have linked it down below. From top employers to the best hospitals, the top rated schools, and a boatload of other things that you need to know before you make the move. The best part of this guide is 100% free. That's right, you heard it. It's 100% free. Hope that helps. So, how do you make sure these hidden costs don't derail your finances? Number one, when calculating affordability, don't just focus on the mortgage, including property taxes, insurance, and HOA fees if applicable. That gives you a more realistic monthly budget. Number two, build a home maintenance fund. Even setting aside $200 to $400 a month can give you a safety net for when those bigger repairs show up. The goal isn't to scare you, it's to help you plan ahead so homeownership feels like a joy, not a financial trap. So, let's recap the 3 hidden costs of homeownership. Number one, property taxes that rise year after year. Number two, HOA fees that can vary and spike unexpectedly. Number three, maintenance and repairs that are entirely your responsibility. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these hidden costs surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comment below. And if you're thinking about buying a home in the Bay Area, let's connect. I can help you plan for those costs so you can buy smart and stay comfortable long after you get the keys. If this video was helpful, do me a favor. Hit the like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss future insights on Bay Area real estate. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.